Good day everyone, my name is AYESHA Rizwan. I am a teacher in the WAVE private school. Today I am here with another video for grade 3. This is video number 2. This is chapter number 6, angles, and I am using top maths. So let's start. For this video I have these objectives. Like after this video you are able to measure right angle with a paper and also to detect right angles in your daily life, to solve question related to this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Yes, so grade 3, what you can see in this picture, you can see that there are some circles. And why these red lines on the circles? I will tell you why. Because as you can see, the first part of the circle, I can divide my circles into 4 quarters. You all know this is first quarter of the circle. I have 4 quarters all in my circle. First one, this is 2 quarter, this one is 3rd quarter, and this one is 4th quarter. Yes, very good. So let's see the first quarter side. Here is the first quarter of a circle, and as you can see, when I divide my first quarter of a circle, there is a right angle, because this is straight line, this is straight line. It means that 1 quarter of a circle have 1 right angle. Okay, so 1 quarter of a circle has 1 right angle, and that is 90 degree. All you know that a right angle is always 90 degree. A right angle is always 90 degree. And this is my 1 quarter and 1 right angle. So it means 1 quarter, 1 right angle, 90 degree. This is 2 quarter in a circle. It means 2 right angles, and 90 plus 90 we have to do 2 times 90 we have to plus. 90 plus 90 equal to 180. It means 2 quarter of a circle, 2 right angles, and 180 degree. Okay, 1 quarter, 1 right angle, 90 degree. 2 quarter, 2 right angles, and we have to do plus 90 plus 90, 180 degree. 3 quarters, 3 right angles, and we have to do 90 plus 90, 180. Again 90 plus, because it is 3 quarter, then we will get 270. And it is 4 quarter, it means 4 right angles, and it means we have to do plus 90 4 times, 360 degree. So now follow me, grade 3. Yes, follow me. 1 quarter, 1 right angle, 90 degree. 2 quarters, 2 right angle, 180 degree. 3 quarter, 3 right angle, 270 degree. 4 right angles, 4 quarter, 360 degree. Again 1 quarter, 1 right angle, 90 degree. Say it. 2 quarters, 2 right angles, 180 degree. 3 quarter, 3 right angle, 270 degree. 4 quarter, 4 right angle, 360 degree. Yes, so it means half circle is 180 degree and full circle is 360 degree. Half circle how much? 180. Very good. Say it again. Half circle how much? 180 degree. Half circle, yeah, and full circle 360. Full circle equal to 360 degree. Full circle is how much? 360 degree. So you understand this? I hope you understand. So this is page number 144 from your textbook. Take out your textbook and open page number 144. Please follow my steps. In that page, this is question number 1. You can see that they said you have to draw the other side of the lines and you have to make right angles. It means you have to draw straight line. And how you can draw the straight line perfectly? You can use the paper instrument that I told you to make in the last video, and that paper instrument we are using to check the right angles. You can make that paper or like this, and then you can use to measure the right angle. And students, you know that this arrow, why I draw this arrow? Because you can see this is the starting point of a line. You have to draw an arrow like that at your question to where, like any end you want to make the starting point, you have to draw an arrow. Like I want to make the starting point here, so I make an arrow here. You have to make an arrow like that, and then at the start, like I did, you have to make an arrow. Yes, very good. After making the arrow, you have to take this paper, and then you have to take this paper close to the end of the line. There is no arrow here, it means this is the end of the line. So I have to take my paper, I have to meet the vertex of my paper to that end of the line like this. Yes, and then you can see my one line is straight to my paper. It's not coming here or there. And exactly you have to do exactly like this. And then for right angle, you have to draw a line here. It must be straight to my paper. It must be not go here and there. Yeah, so now see, I draw this line. It means this is my right angle. Here, this is question number 2. You have to take your paper, you have to rotate it, and then you have to take the vertex of my paper to close to the end line like that, and then you have to draw another line. Yeah, like this line. With the help of a ruler, you can also draw. See, but you have to use this paper to make it more clear. So my lines, first of all, this line must be here. It's not going here and there, so it means this is a right angle. Likewise, you have to do with question number 3. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can see this again. You have to meet the vertex of that paper like this. I am taking this paper. You have to take the paper close to the end part of the line, and you have to make it. Where is the end part? You have to draw the end part. Like you have to choose that this is my end part of the line. Then you have to close each other like this, and then draw a line. Simple. Now grade 3, this is question number 1 on page number 145. They said use a set square to check which angle is a right angle. You can choose the paper measurement instrument that we have made before. You can use this part to check which is an angle. First of all, you have to choose, like this is I'm starting to measure this side. This is question number 2. I'm using it. So you have to choose where is the meeting point of these two lines. This is one line, this is the second, and there is the meeting point. You have to bring close to that meeting point to the vertex of my paper. See, this is vertex. You can also, like if you want to close this side, so no problem, you can rotate your paper and you can make it close like this. Yeah, so you have to take any vertex of the paper and bring it close to the line or where the angles, like the line where they are meeting. Here the lines are meeting, you have to bring close to the paper, and then like this. It means this line is not coming inside of the paper, and this line is directly straight. It means this is a right angle. You have to write here a right angle. Here you have to do it again. One line you have to meet like this. Rotate your paper and bring close to that one line. One line must be straight to that paper, and then you have to meet the vertex like this. Now see, this line is coming inside of the paper. It means this is not a right angle, but it is less than a right angle. Very good. This is question number 2 at page number 145. They said mark take on the shape which has only right angles. It means the shape must have all right angles. Not only one, it must have all right angles. So let's start. See this shape. This shape has all right angles? Yes or no? Yes? Let's see. Yes. So the correct answer, I will put a smiley face if it is correct. Okay. So this shape, it has all right angles? Yes or no? Yes. Let's see. Yes. Very good. And this shape, it have all right angles? No, it's not coming smiley. It means only these shapes have right angle. You have to put tick mark on your book. I am putting this smileys. Likewise, this is question number 3 at your book. You have to put tick on that object which have only right angle. I will put the smiley. This teddy bear have a right angle? Has a right angle? No. So this table has a right angle? Yes or no? Okay, so let's see. Is it a yes? This table has a right angle, and this envelope has a right angle. It must be all right angles. It has two, but there it's not a right angle. So no, it doesn't have, because see here and here not a right angle. This is less than or greater than. So we must the thing which have all right angles. So the table only. Put tick on the table only. So this is page number 146 from your textbook. I'm using it paper again. They said use a set square to mark the right angle in the shape and object below. You have to write the number of right angles in this shape. So you can use this paper object to measure it. I have to take my vertex to the corner side. First of all, you have to draw like this at the vertices. 1, 2, 3. So we have to measure all the vertex one by one. First of all, let me measure this. Yeah, this is a right angle, see. And here if I will take this is not a right angle, it is coming inside. One line must be at the object paper. Another line we have to see. And then this side, let me rotate my paper because I have to put one side must be like this, and see this is greater than a right angle, and this is one last one. Now I have to rotate the paper like this, and then this is also not a right angle, it is coming. So only one right angle, right here one, and angle M. I have to measure the angle M, rotate it, take one side of the line straightly to that side. See, one side must be exactly to that one. It is greater than a right angle. So angle M is greater, right here greater than a right angle. Now here number of right angles are 0. As you can see, there is no straight line, and angle M we have to measure. Take this paper and rotate it, because we have to make one side must be parallel, and this angle is coming inside. It is not coming, this line is not coming here. So it means less than a right angle. Right here less, LESS than a right angle. Now grade 3, look at the page number 146. Here there is a question for you. Vince is standing at point X. You have to put your fingers, one finger here and your eyes on reading this. So Vince is standing at position X. It is facing C. Whenever something is facing, it means it is stately next to that position. So if it is facing C, it means Vince is at position A, line A. It means here, so it means line A. So Vince is at line A because he is facing C. If you will stand here, you will face C. So if he turns through dash right angles in a clockwise direction, clockwise means as clock is moving, he will face point C. For facing point C, he must be here, right? And where is your finger? At A. Your position starting is at A. He said he turns through how many right angles? that he must face this position D.